J'ai le plaisir de goûter la recette du poulet confit aux oignons de Crisos Kitchen. Et en ma qualité de chef, je vais donner mon appréciation sincère. Donc, je commence par goûter d'abord les oignons, la sauce. Les oignons sont bons. La sauce est crémeuse. Le poulet est ferme, bien tendre. En même temps, il est moelleux. Les assaisonnements sont très bien millimétrés. C'est une tuerie. Je vous le conseille. Pour avoir cette recette, je vous conseille de regarder cette vidéo. Vous ne serez pas déçus. Impeccable.
Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to Crisos Kitchen. I hope you have enjoyed the video so far. So right now, we are making the sauce that we're going to be using later on. So make sure you pay attention to the ingredients. In a pan, you're going to put water. Once the water starts boiling, you add your celery, your garlic and ginger paste, and the sauce that we blended previously. And don't forget to add your salt. If you use seasoning cubes, please go ahead and put it. So right now you can see how clean my chicken is. So if you want a tip on how to clean your chicken the best way, just use lemon or lime and soak it into water. Trust me, your chicken is going to be so clean and everything will just come in together. Thank you so much for your time. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you do subscribe and God bless you. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your time and God bless you as well. Please make sure that at this point you pay a good attention to the color of your chicken. Please do not burn that chicken or else the recipe will no longer be the same. Just make sure you give it a very nice light brown color. And at this point, you can change your pot or you can use the same pot, just as I did. And you also want to make sure that your onions are kind of brownish type of. And do not forget to use the sauce that we blended before. What we blended before. You know what I'm talking about. So you're going to make sure now you put on your chicken. And for your chicken, you're just going to add a little bit of water, not too much, all right? Just a little bit. And make sure you put it on a low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes, just so all the ingredients will penetrate all together. You know what I'm talking about. So I went with red bell peppers and basil. You can go with whatever you have at home, but please, let's stay true to the recipe. Thank you so much for your time. Please try this recipe and let me know. Look at how yummy, how juicy, how delicious this chicken looks like. The holidays are around the corner. Please Try this recipe. You will not be disappointed. Thank you so much for your time. God bless you. Bye now.